Hello foodies and welcome to Dobby Signature. Now in this video we'll be learning how to make starch, also known as usi. This is one of the... Now for the full list of ingredients, you'll need starch, palm oil and water. Now let's begin. Place the starch in a bowl and add water to dissolve the starch. You set that aside. Now in a pan, you have to ensure your pan is smooth. You pour the oil and make sure it goes round. Next, you pour the starch and water mixture into the pan. And then using a spoon, you start to stir. You stir vigorously so it doesn't clump together. You stir till it starts to thicken. Just keep stirring the starch till it starts to thicken. As you can see, it's coming together to form a sticky dough. Just keep stirring. Keep stirring till you get this gooey, sticky dough. And your starch is ready. Now you can serve this with any soup of your choice. You can serve this with black soup, you can serve this with Banga soup, any soup of your choice. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Now if you enjoyed watching this video, you can give me a thumb up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. Till next time, bye bye.